Okay, this is a super basic T-Rex balloon. I intend to make it very slowly because on my other video where I show this design, because this is a very fast design, you can whip these out really fast and kids love them. But on that video, I got a lot of complaints about that the speed, that I went too fast. So I intend to drag this one out so you can see everything I do, and hopefully you can learn it without too much trouble. You'll need to start with two 260s. One of them, you want to leave about that much of a tail, maybe a 4-finger tail. And the other one doesn't really matter because you're not going to use all of it, you're going to break it off. But you want to have a fair bit of balloon there. And optional is a piece of scrap or a bit of a round balloon for the eyes. But you can also just use a marker. So, remember, I'm going very slowly in this one because so many people said the other one was too fast to follow. So you want to start with the face, but this is a really fast design and you can just fly right through it. You want to take a bubble that's however long you want the face, the mouth of your T-Rex to be. That's about how long this bubble is. Okay? Now you make another one just like it. Like that. You can just grab this and twist it in there. But if you're picky about the size, you might want to just do it separately. I kind of like to have one bubble longer than the other one. And then this will be the under part of the jaw and this will be the upper. Then you take this and twist them together. Okay? Now I'm still holding the nozzle end because if I were to let go right now, this would come undone. Okay? So we're going to make another bubble. Now I've got this pinched right here, so this is not just being let go. But I'm going to make another bubble here. This is the one that's going to either be an anchor point for the eyes, if we're using another balloon, or you can take a marker and draw the eyes on yourself. And what I'm doing right now is I'm pinch twisting this bubble. Okay? And now we have that. That's the start of our T-Rex face. You can draw eyes right on there, or you can put another balloon there for the eyes. You can draw in teeth if you feel like it. Now you're making the neck, which is very short. And you make another bubble, maybe smaller than this, to be another anchor point. Okay, so you got that one bubble. Now you want to pinch twist this bubble. Pinch twist it. Okay. Now you have that. Looks kind of funny. You're going to make two arms here. Two little arms with tiny little hands on them. And that will allow this to be a little straighter once you have the arms in place. Okay. So the arms are just two little short bubbles, maybe even as long as the neck. Okay, they don't have to be very long at all. One of these. And you're going to make two little hands on the end, just because that's how I do it. You don't have to do it, but I think it looks good. So I make two tiny little bubbles. One like that, another one like that. Those are the two hands. That's one of the arms. Now I'm gonna make the second arm. Try to get it about the same size as the first one. Okay, and then just to recap, what I've done is made one arm, two hands, another arm, and you bring them all together, twist it all together at that anchor point. Okay, straighten everything out, and you have the start of your T-Rex. Okay, the face, the arms, this will be the body. You're going to anchor the legs right here, and the rest will be the tail. And you see that we run out of space on the end here. So if we had extra space here, well then I would make another bubble, a pinch twist here as an anchor point for the legs. But because we don't need to, we don't have the extra space, I don't need to do that, I will make that bubble with the other balloon. So you get your kid to hold on to this one. And now you start making one of the big feet of the T-Rex. And it usually starts, for me, the simplest design is just take a bubble. Make a loop. However size you want the foot. And making sure this got caught in here, I'm going to make another bubble here and pinch twist it. And I'm going to grab that nozzle end and make sure it pinch twists with it. And then, just so that this doesn't come undone when you give it to the kid, you'll take that bubble and stuff it through the foot. Like that. Now they can twist this around and it's not going to come undone. Okay? Then keep it soft. Give some shape to the leg. Remember, this is a simple design. You can get fancy with T-Rexes if you felt like it and give them a 3-point foot and knees and all that, but this design is meant to be fast. Okay? This here is the foot. It's going to anchor into the body here. Take a bubble and pinch twist it, and this is going to be your anchor point where this whole thing meets the body. So pinch twist that. And you could attach it right now to the body, or you can just finish it and make it come down the side. Sometimes pinch twists come undone when left like this. Okay, so if there's any kind of moisture on here, wet or sweat or something like that, that'll cause that to slip. And certain balloons, the white, the light blues and the pink, sometimes they got more talcum on it, and so they don't hold as well. So what you can do, decide where in the body you want to put this, and twist this here into there. Okay, so that's the body, that's going to be the tail, but now you got to make the other leg, the matching leg, to come down this side. So in my design, I just do that for the knees and come down to about the same size. Make a loop. This is going to be the other foot. And remember, they don't have to be identical in size, but pretty close. I want to be left with enough air here that I don't have to break anything off. So do about like that. Then I want to pinch twist this bubble and then stuff it in there to finish everything off. So take this around. That's pretty much a pinch twist. And I'm going to take this and stuff it in there. And then you just got to sort everything out so that it looks okay with the knees. You can split your knees in whatever position you want. And that there is the very basic, very simple, but also very fast T-Rex. Now you could stop right here, draw some eyes right here, and call it done, and you'd have a lot of happy kids. Or you could take a round balloon, put a puff of air in it, tie it off, split it down the middle, and twist this into here. And you can draw your eyes right on there. Now, what I tend to do is just to make a line. When I'm doing reptiles, I would just do that. You know, not that reptiles have eyes like that. It's just that's how I tended to do them. So there you go. Hopefully you could follow along. If that was still too fast for you, I don't know what to say. You're going to have to just pause the video as you go. So I want to try to put up some simple tutorials like this a little more frequently. And I have a list of ones that I want to make, but if you have any specific requests that you would like to see made in this format, this up close detailed format, let me know and I will see if I can pull that off. Take care.